You can't hit the right notes, struggle to feel the rhythm, you think you just don't have an ear for music? Today I'm going to prove you wrong. Hello, I'm Andrey Mik. I am a professional singer with a classical background, and on this channel you will find easy to follow tips, vocal exercises and singing secrets which will take your singing to the next level. Hit subscribe so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Let's go! The myth about natural talent. People often say, you are either born with a good ear or not. But that's simply not true. When I started singing, I had serious problems with intonation and pitch. My mom is a violinist, and she used to tell me I was off pitch all the time. My dad, on the other hand, not a musician, always said, "She's just too picky, you sound great." Years later, when I listened to my old recordings, I finally understood what my mom meant.
Темная ночь, только пули свистят по степи.
But I learned to sing in tune, step by step. And today people often ask me, do you have perfect pitch? But the truth is, no. I trained my ear through consistent work. But how did I develop my ear? I spent hours doing solfeggio, playing piano and guitar, and singing a cappella, without any instruments. Over time this shaped my ear and changed the way I hear music completely. I would like to divide ear training into three main parts. The first is pitch perception. It means hearing the height of sound. The second is harmonic hearing, or understanding chords and harmony. And the third one is rhythmic hearing. It means feeling timing and groove. And finally, exercises to improve your ear. First exercise, sing scales in different keys. Start simple. Sing major and minor scales. This helps you hear pitch more clearly and stabilize your intonation.
La, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, si, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, si, la.
The second exercise, sing scales with harmony. You need to sing scales, even the same from the first exercise. The only difference will be that you need to play simple chords underneath. The goal is to hear your voice inside the harmony, not separately.
La, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, si, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, si, la.
The third exercise, develop your rhythmic sense. Rhythm is just as important as pitch. Start by listening to the song you want to sing. Then start to clap your hands or to snap your fingers with the rhythm of melody you want to sing.
I said I would die for you, baby, but I can't take this pain no more. I thought it would kill me, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door.
Then move to a more advanced version. Speak the lyrics in rhythm.
I said I would die for you, baby, but I can't take this pain no more. I thought it would kill me, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door.
Like this. If you will do these exercises just a few minutes a day, soon you will notice a real progress. Your singing will become more accurate, confident and expressive. And remember, a good ear can be trained. Don't give up. Your progress is closer than you think. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, and of course hit subscribe so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andrey Mik, thank you for watching, bye.